For this sheet, we're going to be looking at the cells with the numbers in them. Specifically, to start with, B4 to D8. Now these cells should all be formatted as general, which means they have no real formatting of any kind. And we're going to look at a couple of different formats for these. To change the format of a number, up here in the number group, and this will actually work for most any cell, we're going to go to the General tab and let's format it as a number. And when you format it as a number, what happens is it adds 2 decimal places. And that's really all of the formatting that you're going to get with the number style. Next, let's look at currency style. So currency, 2 things. It adds a comma, and it also adds the $sign. Now, if we look at accounting and currency, if you look in this menu, look very similar. The biggest difference between them is that the $sign is moved all the way to the left instead of being right next to the currency amount. It also aligns all of your values by their decimal point. So this was as if we had put in a decimal tab into each cell. A couple of other things we can do to format our numbers. So since none of these have change, we can actually decrease the decimal point to have no decimal. And that would be done by this button that points to the right underneath accounting and shows the decimal decreasing from 2 to 1. So if we click that, now we have no decimal places. You can also, if you wanted the decimal places to show if they're not showing, to do that you would just click the increase decimal point, which is just to the left of the decreased decimal. Keep in mind when you're formatting the number in a cell, you are not actually changing the number itself, just the way that the number looks within that cell.